Today is a historic day. With the adoption of the MLA Convention, we have made a giant step forward in our collective fight against impunity and the pursuit of justice for the most serious international crimes. In this very difficult geopolitical situation, the adoption of Ljubljansko Hague Convention shows that when it comes to common values, we can work together. In this case, a fight against impunity is this common value. No longer will those who commit genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes and other international crimes be able to fall through the cracks of international criminal law. 80 countries have today committed to combat impunity by fostering unprecedented levels of state cooperation in the investigation and prosecution of these crimes. Cooperation among those of us who have committed to this convention tonight means that we will work together to ensure perpetrators are held accountable and justice is served for the victims. The international community stands united in celebration and optimism for the future of international criminal law. And with this new Ljubljansko Hague Convention, we have reaffirmed our commitment to the values of justice, human rights, the rule of law, and the dignity of every individual. And allow me to say that our optimism and dedication for a more just and secure world resonates far beyond the confines of this conference hall. With this historic adoption of the Convention, we are sending a message to all future perpetrators and all future victims of these hideous crimes. Impunity will not persist. Justice will prevail.